de-icing safety. I'm going to apply direct pressure. Does the bleed stop?
The wound continues to bleed.
So I'm going to have you apply pressure, okay, while I grab the tourniquet. I'm going to put the tourniquet just proximal to the injury site. Sure, and I got a tight fit here. Secure it, tightening it down. Does the bleeding stop?
Yes. Your patient is exhibiting signs and symptoms of hypoperfusion.
Sir, I'm going to have you lay down on the ground here, okay? I'm going to put your feet up here. Put your feet up. I'm going to keep my patient warm. Applying a blanket. And I'm going to throw my patient on 15 liters of high flow oxygen and then transport code 3 to the hospital.